0.
Go to sleep in the tent.
I'm going to right now.
Don't freeze to death.
Have fun doing that.
I don't think I lose. How am I gonna freeze to death? I'm gaining health faster than I'm losing health.
Where is this hand coming from? Oh.
Where isn't the hand coming from?
Please calm down.
I hear growling.
What the heck
What?
is that sound?
I am so scared right now.
Me too! What the fuck was that sound?
There's more growling. Oh my god, you guys
Oh
think
no,
it's
we're
the
gonna.
Deerclops? You
What
guys think
if-
it's the Deerclops?
I don't want to see deer clops.
I seriously think
Oh my
that
god,
it's
hello?
the Deerclops. It's the Deerclops. There's an earthquake.
I
Like,
would
she
wake
can-
up if I was you.
Fire.
What is this Deerclops doing?
We're so screwed.
We'll just stay back here.
You
Just stay back
nigga.
here.
I got him. I got him. I got him. It's good. We're good. I got him.
You know it's practically impossible to kill him, right?
Is it
I've
really?
seen kill him.
I froze him!
Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Keep freezing him. I died.
Oh god, make it go away.
Good game. Good game, everyone.
Thank you. Okay,
I
we're
might
good.
as well.
Don't do it! Don't hit him, that freezes him.
I'm dead.
Okay. We're gonna leave him there. It's fine. You guys should have just left it. Oh, never mind.
It's winter. How can he unfreeze?
Wait, why'd you guys hit him?
Wait, can he unfreeze? Yeah, he can.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Son
I
of a
thought
bitch.
Goth was Abigail for some reason.
Where's
You're
my
destroying our
Abigail?
things. You're so mean.
I'm gonna steal this. And I'm gonna eat it. Okay, it's daytime. I'm good. I can leave now.
Are you
Oh,
gonna be
these
able to bring
eggs
us
are gonna
back?
pop. I'm gonna pop these eggs away so that one it doesn't pop. Oh wait, he killed the fire. Never mind.
What's he? It's just gonna break everything? Like, hello?
He's gonna break everything and leave.
Yeah.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Nigga.
Just let
Fight
him
me.
go. Just
Oh
let him
my
go. You can bring us back.
Rip.
We
So do you
didn't
guys want
find-
to play again?
We didn't find any of the touchstones.
We didn't find a pig king.
Did you guys just light that stuff on fire?
I didn't. Now I'm trying to.
It's gonna spread the entire.